Nursing home concerns ramping up as vaccine hesitancy persists. The Centers for Medicaid and Medicare says less than half of long-term facility staff are vaccinated against COVID-19 in Missouri. News 4's Gabriela Vidal spoke with some, calling for vaccinations for nursing home staff to no longer be optional and instead become a requirement.
It really ticks me off.
Eileen Dugan didn't want to show her face on camera, but did want to voice her frustration after she says she couldn't visit her brother at Bethesda Dilworth in Oakland.
And they shut his floor down again last week.
Bethesda Dilworth officials tell me one person tested positive for COVID-19, and that floor has reopened. But Dugan wishes more long-term care facilities required COVID-19 vaccines.
I don't see how anybody who works in healthcare cannot be required to be vaccinated, and I don't see how they cannot want to be vaccinated.
This week, multiple healthcare organizations nationwide, including the American Medical Association and the American Nurses Association, called for all long-term care providers to make the vaccine mandatory for all staff and care professionals.
Especially with the Delta variant seeming to jump a little bit more easily to vaccinated folks, it's even more important that especially our vulnerable seniors have people around them who are also protected.
Lutheran Senior Services, a long-term care provider with 21 locations in Missouri and Illinois, started requiring all staff to become fully vaccinated by September 1st, minus some exceptions. Incoming employees are required to show proof of vaccination.
We really weren't making the progress that we needed. First and foremost, this really was focused on the safety of our residents, but not only our residents, the staff that work there.
Paul Ozier believes the reason why more providers haven't made the vaccine a requirement is because of the current shortage in healthcare employees.
So yes, we are concerned, although we're getting, we're hearing, we're going to lose some. On the other hand, we're going to be a far safer place to work for people who think that's important.
Gabriela Vidal, News 4.
News 4 did ask Bethesda if they require staff to get the COVID-19 vaccine. They say in a statement they only offer the vaccine to staff and residents, but do not require them to get it.